This word is basically of French origin. So we're going to look at the British pronunciation as well as the French pronunciation. First, the British pronunciation. The word is divided into 3 syllables. R-E-S-T-A-U, R-A-N-T. These are the 3 syllables. So while pronouncing, the first syllable is pronounced res, the second syllable is pronounced t, and third syllable ront. So on the whole, it comes out as restaurant. Restaurant. Repeat after me. Restaurant. Perfect. Alright, so now let us look at the French pronunciation. So when we write this word in French, you can see here on E we have a mark, and these marks are often seen in French words on letters. So these marks are called accent. They are accent, okay? And the pronunciation of this particular accent is E. So this word is pronounced as restaurant. French pronunciation, restaurant. Repeat, restaurant. Great. So friends, thanks for watching. Keep trying and you'll become perfect.